Please give us a brief introduction.
I am Subhranshu Pradhan. I am born and brought up in Bhubaneswar. I have completed my 10th class in Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir United Bhubaneswar at the percentage of 82%, and I have also completed my 12th in Aspire Plus 2 Science College with a percentage of 62% in the year of 2018. After that, I have completed my degree in BSc Forestry at College of Forestry OUAT and completed in the year of 2022 with a percentage of 83.4%, and I have completed my master degree in also forestry in the Department of Forest Biology and Tree Improvement with percentage of 84.9% and completed in year 2024. In my hobby, I work morning walk every day, and after that, I also have keen interest in new technologies related to cars and bikes also. And in my achievement, I have got third position in math Olympiad and school level, in inter-school level.
Okay, fine. So, madam, you can start with the biodata questions.
Okay. Good afternoon, Subhranshu.
Good afternoon.
So we are going to ask about a biodata, some related questions. You have appeared the OFS exams. Okay. Now,
Yes.
why you want to become a forest officer? What is the reason behind it?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I have studied forestry for 6 years as I have completed my graduation and post-graduation both in forestry. And also, we have, as I studied, I have a better knowledge than other students in forestry. And also, it is my first preference as I like to improve for the environment work as an environment officer also. This,
If for any reason you are not going to able to crack this time, what are you going to do next?
then I will prepare for the other exams, but I think I will crack this exam.
Okay. So you are going for academics? Are you going for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in case of forest, when coming to the forest coverage of India, when we are talking, generally we are encountering certain problems that happens, and that is mostly highlighted in the news right now.
Yes.
Whether there are forest fires or something or the other. As a forest officer, what are the steps should be taken up by you so that these can be at least minimized to some extent?
Yes, ma'am. There are different problems. Mainly, these are like deforestation, as you said, forest fire, and also man-animal conflict and wildlife. In case of wildlife, there are poachings and illegal killings have been happening. So for me, I will first see for the plantation activities, and then for the also in plantation there are having casualties of the plantations happening. So I have to monitor them and also have to taking good steps for the maintenance of the plantations. And also in case of wildlife activities, for the monitoring of the wild animals are required. So we can use different types of monitoring skills like camera trap and also some other things. And protection is required. Also, in for the killing or the poaching activities, we can contact with the local communities and also acquire some informers from the local villages or other things. So we can monitor for the wildlife illegal killings and poaching activities. And in case of forest fire activities, this is in not our control. So wherever there will be forest fire, we can also go to there and and then can blow the fire with the fire blowers, and other forest fire mitigation activities can be done
Okay.
with this.
There are certain things like we are finding their tribals are mostly
Yes.
sometimes act as a friend to the forest officers. Sometimes they hinder
Yes.
our work progress. So if the latter comes into account and you are facing such problems, then as a forest officer, how can you are going to handle such situation?
Yes, ma'am. We have to build a better relationship with the forest dwellers, so they can support us, and also with the help of them we can also manage the forest. We can, and there are schemes like BSS, Varna Surakya Samitis, they can also be there. So if we provide them the some facilities, so they will also get benefited from the forest, and they will also, it will be also beneficial for the forest officers also.
Okay. So
Uh,
let us
if you
yeah. So let us now discuss something about your academic.
you are using artificial intelligence for as a forest officer, then
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please repeat? It's a network issue.
Yeah, I think madam is facing some network issue. Let us then continue. I'll be asking you the questions. So basically, you have done forestry. Okay, like you said, you have studied forestry for 6 years. Okay. So and as I can see from your CIF that you have taken forestry and agriculture as your optional subjects for the exam. Yes. So, but you were good in maths, right? You got the third position in maths Olympiad at inter-school level. So why didn't you continue with that mathematics and engineering, and you came to forestry? Some particular reason why you opted for forestry instead of opting for pure sciences like, for example, like maths? Okay.
So these are the applied sectors. In case of OUT, there are subjects, the agriculture, forestry. We can, these are professional courses. We can, by this line, we can indirectly interact with the persons, and also it is a better for the professional things. So that I can directly contact with the peoples also. In other lines, we can do some less things. That's why.
Okay. So what was your special paper during your post graduation?
Forest biology and tree improvement.
Forest biology and tree improvement. So the details of your optionals will be dealing in the second interview. You have done your 10th from Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir. Can you tell me what is the
Yes, sir.
motto or what is the the
Some
slogan or what you
motto
can say?
is, yes, Swayam Eva Mrugrendata, which means one can be the leader by its own potential.
Okay. So can you tell me at a national level 4 or 5 very important personalities, successful personalities who are students of Saraswati Shishu Mandirs all over India?
Uh,
Maybe political, maybe bureaucrats,
yes, sir.
maybe scientists. Many are there. I'm only asking 5.
Yes, yes, sir. Mostly this our school is under RSS, so there are many political leaders are from the RSS. In our current CM, Sri Mohan Charan Maji, he is also a teacher in, previously he was a teacher in Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Kencha, and also some other political leaders, but I forgot.
Okay. National level also, there are many.
Yes,
Okay, you find it out.
yes,
Who are the
yes.
important alumni of SSVMs in
Yeah.
state level? One example you gave. Okay, that current CM was a
Yes.
teacher. Okay, and then at national level, then you'll find many scientists Okay.
Yes.
Currently, there are two CEOs of top IT companies who are from SSVM. Very few people would know that. So just do some research. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll ask this question in the next interview. So you be ready with that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now you completed your PG in 2024.
Yes, sir.
Last year only you have completed. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Yes, sir. December I have passed out.
Okay. So you are interested in new technologies related to cars and bikes. Can you give me three downsides or problems or risks associated to the environment from electronic, or you can say the electric cars, EVs,
Yes.
electric vehicles?
Yes, sir. First,
Many
if
are
we
there. You tell me three.
yes, sir. First is the production of the electric batteries in the lithium-ion batteries. It will also occur so many pollution which we have been ignoring, and also in the after the battery life cycle, there are no very limited technologies to recycle of the batteries. So it will also harmful for the environment also. Mostly the production process of the EV batteries are very much harmful as they use a lot of energy sources and water also.
Okay. Uh, Madam was asking you about forest fires. Can you tell me how big data and artificial intelligence is being used nowadays to control forest fire all over the world? We have seen, like we have seen the fires in California and also in India. We are using these technologies now. Can you tell me something about it? What are the recent technologies that are being used, okay, to combat forest fires?
Yes, with the help of AI, we can monitor the forest fire where is happening with the satellite. And with the AI system, we can monitor where is the forest fire is happening and the intensity of the forest fire. This is
Okay,
under.
you
I actually forgot the
okay.
name of the.
Okay. Now, if there is forest fire, okay, in deep forest, so one method is you are spraying water
Yes.
from aircrafts. Okay.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me what is the chemical that is used mixed with water? We see that, it's sometimes red color, sometimes yellow color. What is that which is mixed with water? What chemical is mixed with
Sorry,
water?
sir. Sorry, sir.
এটা ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ ଓକେ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଫାୟାର ର କଣଟା ବେସିକାଲି ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଏରିଆଲ ରୁଟ ରୁ ଓକେ ଫାୟାର ଫାଇଟିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ରାଇଟ ଓକେ ଫାଇନ have you heard about hydroponics? Tell me something about hydroponics and
Yes.
how
And
hydroponics can, because agriculture is one of the optional, so for which all crops hydroponics is feasible, for which all crops hydroponics is not feasible?
so hydroponics is growing the trees and plants with the on above the water surface, so plants can collect the essential materials from the water source, and it also uses no soil for their no zero soil. The crops are mostly horticultural crops are growing. The flowers and vegetables are all types of vegetables can be grown with aquaponics.
Okay.
It can be.
Um,
Yes.
have you heard about vertical gardens?
Yes, sir. Vertical gardens are artificial. Vertical gardens are home gardens which can be grown on a vertical wall, and there are some exotic plants and also decorative plants which can be grown for aesthetic purposes.
Any city which has used this concept of vertical gardens in public infrastructure, flyovers especially, the pillars of the flyovers?
No, sir.
China and all have used it. I'm asking about Indian city which has used it or which has pioneered it, started, and then many cities are now going for it.
Yes, sir. I think Bangalore have done
Yes,
this.
Bengaluru is doing. There's some other they have also started. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you mean by multi-storied cropping? And what are the places in Odisha where this is practiced? And what is the combination of the crops, okay, which is used for this multi-storied cropping?
Multi-story cropping is the cropping system in which different levels of crops are grown. If you take in the lower level, there are vegetables are grown, and the from above there are some small trees have been growing, and after that on the top we can grow some the forest trees or the large trees which have been growing. If we take an example, so if we growing some agricultural crops with help of the pineapple, and also on the above we can grow very other forest trees like acacia and other trees can be grown.
Mhm. Okay. So, what do you mean by agroforestry? And tell me the position of Odisha in it. In which areas agroforestry is practiced? What are the combination of the crops and the trees which are being used? Agroforestry.
Yes, sir. Agroforestry is the practicing of the forestry with agriculture, and also the livestock are also been involved. If we take an example, we can grow if we, with the rice we can grow acacia species, and also popular species which with the wheat also. Wheat was popular, rice, and also some vegetables can be grown with the bamboo species also. These are agroforestry. These are mostly practiced in so every we can practice in every land also. In Odisha, mostly practice in the hilly regions. There are practicing this ones.
Okay. Uh, Madam, you can take over.
Okay. Subhranshu,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have your hobbies include what?
My hobby is morning work and also some interest in cars and bikes.
Okay, so which is the means company on which car company you are most following nowadays?
So nowadays, I've been following every types of companies also.
Okay, so what is your viewpoint on the introduction of EV in Indian market?
Yes, as we are concerning about the environmental pollution that is from the vehicles like petrol and diesel vehicles, it is a good technology which has been using in other after India, in other countries also EVs have been successful. So in India it will be also successful, but the due to some infrastructure of the India, so the success rate is very slow, but it will happen. It will be good in several years, 2 to 3 years. After that, it will be beneficial also.
Okay. Now there are we are facing a lot of problems in like we are going for carpools and the government is telling the less uses of vehicles. So do you think it is for in the environment point of view, how helpful it is for that?
Yes, ma'am. If we see the vehicles are polluting from the emission pipe, these pollutions are happening. So for the environmental things, the it will be harmful also. Cities in Delhi, if you see the example of Delhi, they have been banning the diesel vehicles for after more than 10 years of lifespan of the vehicle. So this cannot be run in Delhi. So these things will be beneficial for the environment as the pollution can be controlled.
Which is your home district?
Home district is Dhenkanal.
Dhenkanal. Okay. Can you tell me what is the origin of the name from where Dhenkanal has been derived?
Sorry, sir. Or
এটা টিকে দেখিয়ে দেবে আপনার district website রে. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now coming to the forest part of your district, what is the total forest cover of your district in percentage? And what are the major tree species that is found in your district?
It's a forest coverage. Sir, I have not studied exactly about the Dhenkanal.
Okay, এটা দিয়ে দেখি এটা important হলো আপনার district of found
Yes,
in the forest cover separately. Hello. That you just spoke. Acha. So what are the major tree species? সেটা আপনার district এ সেটা জানতে দিন.
Yes, sir. So tree species like mostly sal and teak, and also acacia species are there. There are many trees like jamun, and also some kaju species are there. These are the prominent species, you can say.
Okay. So if you look at your district from the point of view of wildlife, okay, animals,
Yes, sir.
what any exotic animals which are found or any endangered species that is found?
Endangered species, no, sir. The most important animal is elephant, which has been in Dhenkanal. For the elephant, there have been zoos in Kapilas is a zoo is there, and also wildlife sanctuary. Kapilas Wildlife Sanctuary is there for their protection purpose.
Okay. Who is the topmost forest service officer in a state?
PCC, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest.
And who is the current PCC of Odisha?
Sorry, sir, I forgot this.
এটা বিটিকে দেখিয়ে দেবে ন পচারি পারেন still you should know. Okay, right. So your optionals agriculture and forestry.
Forest.
So agriculture and forestry. So now, of course, as I told you, we will discuss in details the optional questions in second interview. Now, related to agriculture, okay. So what are the major issues which the farmers of your district are facing? Three most important issues. You can rank them by priority. And if you are given an opportunity and the resources to solve these three problems, what steps will you take?
Yes, sir. First, if we can say the small land holding, the farmers have been are very marginal farmers. So this is a very big problem, as they can grow very limited amount of crops in their land. So this can be a problem. And also technological advancement, this is also a major problem. So we can also provide them some fertilizers, and also help with the technologies like power tiller, harvesting, combined harvester, and also equipments. Also we can help them, and also provide subsidies for the procuring of the equipment. So this can be beneficial for them. These are the
So my last question for the interview will be, Madam has already asked you why you want to become or join the Odisha Forest Service. Okay, and what will you do in case you are not selected and all? So my question is related, okay, similarly related. Okay, so now if you are getting a rank, but your aim is to join as ACF, okay, but your rank is not that good that you will get ACF, you will get ranger, right?
yes.
What are you going to do? Will you join as a ranger, or you will wait for
Yes.
the next chance and you will prepare and you will join group A? What is your opinion? What will be your decision?
Sir, I will join as a ranger, as my first priority is to get the service, and after that, in the next exam, maybe I will appear, but I will be happy with ranger positions also.
What are the differences in the powers and functions of a ranger and an assistant conservator of forest?
A ranger is allocated with a single range, so he will overlook the works on the same range only. But if we see the SCF, in a division, forest division, there are 2 to 3 SCFs are there. So one SCF is controlling 3-4 ranges also. They will look over all the ranges, maximum 2 to 3 ranges they are under the SCF.
Okay. So that will be the end of the interview. Now coming to the feedback. So ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଟିକେ flow of speech ଉପରେ practice କରନ୍ତୁ. Question sets ନେଇକି mirror ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଆପଣ practice କରନ୍ତୁ. Mirror interviews ବହୁତ ହି ଦରକାର ହବ. ଠିକ ଅଛି? ସେଟା ହେଲା number 1. Second ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ opinion based କୁ ବି answer କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ପଚରାଉଛି କାହିଁକି ଏଟା ଆପଣ କଲେ କି ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ OFS join କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତ ତାକୁ enumerate କରିକି answer କରିବେ. वो फर्स्ट रीजन आया, सेकंड रीजन आया, थर्ड रीजन आया कि फर्स्टली सेकंडली थर्डली जहाँ भी
Yes.
ହେଲା ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ମନା କରିଦେବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେଟା ଆପଣ କଲେ ଦି ତିନିଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ସେଟ୍ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ नो ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ମାଇ ଗୁଡ୍ ସେଟା ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବେ ଓକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ମତେ ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ଆନ୍ସର କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ କରିପାରିବେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ମକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁଜ ଦେବେ ମିରର ସାମ୍ନାରେ ठीक है तो एवरी डे एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 मॉक्स ईच मॉक रो टाइम पीरियड 30 मिनिट मिनिमम होगा कथा सेटा आपण ट्राई करि परिबे ओके
Yes, sir.
so that will wait I am not sure if madam is present madam are you present give the feedback no I think
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
yeah
Subhranshu, in my opinion, you have a clear knowledge of the thing. Okay, just is that you have to formulate it properly. Okay, and you have to be do it in a enumerated way. Okay, and certain that sir told certain current affairs related things you should be updated, like your district, you are staying at Denkanar, you belong to Denkanar, so about your own region, because they will be mostly doing that, what is your forest coverage and what are the crops being grown there, which will be going in the next interview, will be going in the details of your optionals. Okay, as superficially, and certain thing is that you have to make sure that as there was certain disruption, I could not ask that question, but next time I'll ask. And how you hobbies have to be a bit limited.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
okay so that will be the end of the interview thank you
Thank you, sir.